the sun come out again.
Bacon with cheese, no egg. Should I get 2 of those?
What's your customer you with?
Probably around 10. You can come get them.
Yeah.
This is my mom. Say hello.
Hello.
Did you just try to play me?
This is like you in the 4th grade. That's right. She has some circle glasses. Wrong. It's just a glare though.
Yeah. So y'all, we're getting ready to head to the building. All right, don't end up in that ditch.
You gotta put it back in this I didn't say you do.
So we're on our way to the building, and the party starts at 2, but we can get there at 1. So we should be there at 1 to decorate. So it shouldn't take us that long. At home, they said they about to come. I need some of my bring home. Right now, I'm stepping away from the party so that I can meet a lady to pick up the fried chicken and pasta salad.
You see that roof? Like, what if that roof fall? Like, the particles fall? You know my video.
You never gonna post it.
I do post.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
You got room? You should post any content.
Yes, I do.
You should be posting any content.
Yeah, I post.
Or on Lisa.
You got? Don't you got a charger in your phone? In your hanger? It's cold. You got a charger in the car? And then it's cold.
So you and Deja have the same phone.
You got one in one of the cars? Go get it.
Go get it.
She picking at people with Android, and she don't even have a charger for her phone. How does that work? Who charger did she get?
Do I have that?
What is
Do
it?
I have that? What is that? No. Yes, I think
Yeah,
I do.
look at the bottom.
What is this?
Who she thinks she is? Good.
Hello guys, my name is Dylan. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next feeling. That's my nephew's brother.
Happy birthday to Carson.
Happy birthday, Carson. Carson turned 5 years old. Let me show you Carson.
It's like they slipped in there in a car accident.
So my cousin is having a Super Bowl party tonight. It is currently 6:21 p.m. and the game starts at 6:30, and we have an hour and 10-minute drive. So we should get there around 7:40, 7:45. Why you get it? So this is what I'm taking. Okay.
Meatballs right here. Jelly,
All right.
barbecue, hot honey wings.
Okay.
Gummy bears.
My fish. Pick up my phone. Shoot. I had it sitting up, recording it. Look at it, and then took it and walked away. I said, that's mine. Oh, I see. What? You hating on me in my house. She stay hating on me. I'm her biggest hater. Say it again. I'm her biggest hater. Yeah. Oh, wait, I gotta get my thumbnail. What's that? Hold on.
It hit nice though. And then they put the beat to the remix. I was like, yeah. It was good.
Okay, so I have a helper with me, Mr. Turned 5 years old. So I received a package in the mail. I ordered these wholesale lashes January 23rd. And what's today's date? February what? 12th?
February 12th, yeah.
So today is February 12th. Ready? All right, so I really need scissors, but
We don't need none.
when I order my lashes from my vendor, they don't come in paper boxes. So I have to pay an extra fee so that they can add the boxes because that saves me a lot of time. I don't want to rip it. I want to cut it so that way I can put it back in here. I shouldn't have pulled it in the first place. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited about unboxing these lashes.
Now you need to start over.
She's just tripping.
What is this?
Eyelashes.
Oh,
Okay. I was a little nervous because, for one, the last time I purchased from this vendor, they packaged these lashes in a box. I'd rather have a box than the plastic bag. Even though they have bubble wrap around it, I still fear that they will be smashed. You know. This time, you said you want to cut it.
huh?
You want to help me cut?
Uh-huh.
Here, come on. Just cut in a straight line. Good job.
And done.
Yep. All right, so this is the first. Ooh, these are pretty. This is Lash Style 026. Hopefully y'all can see them. 026. And yeah, so I have two different styles, 026 and 001. These are pretty too.
I'm good.
Bye.